Alright guys, so a request from the owner was take off all this crap that's on some of the edges. I'm guessing because since it's a new car, it was maybe that white wrap that's normally on new cars. He told me to look out for edges. See, like right here, this is all sticky adhesive. So I'm just going to get my 3M adhesive remover and take those off. I think there's more right here on the side. See this? It just goes down. I think there's a little bit more down here. So I'm just looking around the car right now, see if I can spot any new ones, because I know I spot some random ones. I probably should have been smarter and marked it with maybe some tape or something. So I gotta just go around and look at the edges of the doors and things like that. I think yeah, they hit something already, but there's some sticky stuff right here. This shouldn't be sticking out so much, but as you see, there's just crap along the edges. So I'm gonna get some 3M adhesive remover and get that. Alright guys, thank you for watching another video. This one took a minute. This took about 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours, how dirty how inside was. But I wanted to add, since I bought this Cobalt electric air inflator, it's kind of a nice finishing touch to make sure all the tires are properly inflated before sending it off. That's about it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.